Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. So you replaced an existing fixture with a ceiling fan. There is only one switch leg up in the box, but the fan has a light kit on it. You don't want to have to always pull the chain on and off for the light to work. What you can do is install a fan receiver and wall switch. This will let you turn the fan and light on separately from the wall switch. You will need to buy a universal fan receiver and wall switch. Before we begin, we will make sure the breaker is off to the fan. Then, you want to make sure the dip switches are in the same position on the switch as it is on the receiver. It doesn't matter what combination you choose, they just have to match. Next, you will take the two wires that are on one side of the receiver and wire those up color to color with the wires coming from the switch box. Then you will take the three wires coming from the other side of the receiver and connect those wires color to color with the wires coming from the fan. Next, you will slide the receiver into the ceiling fan bracket between the ceiling and the bottom of the bracket. The canopy will slide over this. Next, you will want to replace the old switch with the wall remote. Install the green wire to the ground and connect the old switch wires to the wire leads on the new wall remote. Screw in the device. Turn on the breaker and test. Some receivers and remotes require that you program them before they work properly. Because they don't all program the same way, you will have to read the instructions to figure out how to do this. Please like this video and subscribe to our page for a link to more videos.